Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Slick and Natty. As promised to you all and Ishpreet, today we will be telling you two options which are very effective and natural ways to detan your skin.
So guys, the thing is that last month I had gone on a trip to Ladakh and the trip was very amazing, but I tanned a lot because the sun there is really harsh and I often forgot to put on my sunscreen. So yes, so Namrata has come to my rescue and she's going to tell me about natural options to detan my skin.
Yes, I'll be telling you the two natural options which are there easily available at your home and you can use it. I know there are plenty of options which are actually available online these days, but today I'll be telling you the two options which are actually effective.
Okay, so let's get going.
Yeah. So option number one is actually based on potato. Potato has got nicotinamide, which has got whitening property, and also it contains vitamin B, which is actually good for renewal of skin cells.
For the first option, take a small potato, wash it properly and peel off its skin. Now cut it into small pieces and now transfer these pieces to a jar and now blend it in a mixer grinder. Don't add any water while grinding because potato itself is very watery. It should roughly turn into a paste like this. Now transfer this paste into a bowl and add half a teaspoon of honey to it and mix it well. Prefer organic honey. If you have oily skin, then add a few drops of lemon juice instead of honey. Now apply this paste on your face. This paste doesn't stick very well to the face, so keep your face turned a little upwards when you have it on, and also it smells a little bad but it works wonders, so please bear with it. Keep it on for at least 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. Do this daily for at least a week to about a month depending on the amount of tan you have, and you will see a difference for sure.
Coming to option number two, which is oats based. The good thing about oats is it has got anti-inflammatory property. So it can be used for all type of skin, even very sensitive skin people can use it.
Good thing because I have a very sensitive skin.
Okay, and also good thing about oats is it has got saponin, which removes the dirt even from the skin pores, so it helps in cleansing the skin.
Okay, so let's see how it is to be made. For the second option, take oats and transfer them to a grinding jar and grind these for about 1 minute to get a powdered mixture like this. You can refrigerate these powdered oats for future use. Now take about half a tablespoon from this mixture and transfer it to a bowl. Add about half a tablespoon of honey to it. Again, prefer organic honey. Now add about 1 teaspoon of milk to it. You can skip milk if you have oily skin. You should get a paste like this. Now if you have very oily skin, then you can add lemon juice instead of honey, and if you have a lot of tanning, then you can also add 1 tablespoon of curd to this mixture because curd also acts as a bleaching agent. Now apply this paste on your face and let it stay for at least 20 to 25 minutes. Then wash it off with lukewarm water and finally splash some cold water on your face to close the pores. You will start noticing the difference right from the first use. This pack not only helps to detan the skin and improve the complexion, but it also acts as a cleansing and mild exfoliating scrub. You can use it once or twice in a week. Moreover, it is suitable for all skin types including sensitive and acne prone skin. So guys, these were the two natural options for detanning that our Nammo says are very effective. So I will give it a try. You guys also give it a try. If it doesn't work, then you can come and hold her by the neck. So if you found this video useful, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you didn't like it, don't hesitate to dislike it. But do let us know in the comments below what suggestions you have for us to improve our videos. And please do subscribe to our channel. It will mean a lot to us. So bye for now and see you guys next time. These were the two options that Namrata Namrata